Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to create a database in MySQL. Let's go to the computer. I have a command line interface pulled up. And I'm going to show you how to create a database in MySQL. First we need to log into MySQL by typing the command MySQL and then a space -u and the username and then a space -p for it to ask me what the password is. I'm going to type in the password and we're going to create a database. To do so, just type the simple command create database. I'm going to call it my database. That database has just been created, and we can show that it's been created simply by typing show databases and then a semicolon. You notice I used a semicolon up here as well. This lists out the databases that are in my server, and as you can see, my database is right there. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create a database in MySQL.